What's up, GC? So, for today's video, andito na naman sila. And they are going to have a sleepover in my house or in my unit. So, what are we gonna do today?
What?
Say hi muna. Say hi.
Hi guys!
So, this is Rosel. And this is Glidel and Mark. You have seen them in my past video, but Rosel is new in my vlog. So I just got out of shower and he's cooking some spaghetti,
Let's cook.
and then Glidel and Rosel is actually buying some cheese and some corned beef. Then later on we will make you see the final result of all of this. Here's the sauce of the spaghetti with Chef Mark. And they are back from getting the cheese and what's that? Corn. Then here is the pasta in the bed. So yeah. Hi guys. Here is our view. Hooray! Here is our spaghetti. And she's making some pineapple juice. Go guys. You can do it. So, it's all done. We're going to eat.
Thank you, Marky.
Ay, o, diba? Thank you, Chef Mark. And here is the pineapple juice made by Rosel
And Glidel.
And Glidel. Me, wala. Maganda lang. Bakit? Now, we're about to go down because Rosel will be going home. But she'll be back tomorrow. And Mark and Glidel will be sleeping over here in my house. So, for now, we're gonna go ahead and go to Rockwell. But first, we're going to video a little bit in the rooftop, which is the short video. So, yeah. Watch out for that. So, now we're walking to go to Rockwell.
Sa Manila, hindi mo pa naiinit. Ang init na pawis na pawis.
So, we are going to Starbucks to drink some coffee.
Agad.
So, we just got out of Starbucks. We're going to Power Plant Mall. Rosal is already riding the motorcycle to go home in Laguna. So, yeah. Glidel don't have drinks anymore. She finished it in one sip. And we have matcha. So, we are here in Rockwell. Power Plant, Rockwell.
Pasok tayo sa convention mamaya. Pag wala tayong drinks.
So, we're just walking, strolling. Don't know yet where to go. By the way, we have a vlog upcoming, which is the Never Have I Ever. Watch out for that. So, in our back, we have Jaguar. It's really a nice car. So, we are here in the marketplace, and Mark said that we have to look for an esophagus. I didn't know what it is, but this is the one he's talking about. This is asparagus. Esophagus. So now you know, guys, that is an esophagus. So, we're done checking out some things in the marketplace. We're now going to where?
find some luxury items like bags, clothes, and ano ba? Mga perfumes.
Yes. So we're just going to check out.
Because Madam Lido wants to buy Louis Vuitton and Prada. Esophagus.
Esophagus. he has a new nickname now. Esophagus. This time we're going to talk in English only. And if somebody talk in Tagalog,
What's the condition?
she's gonna buy us some ice cream. Yeah. We are here in Zara.
Yeah. Where's the diamonds?
I think it's there. I'm just looking for. Look at the clothes. It's so nice. Yeah, I like it too. So,
What?
we already have 1
Who?
point for me and then 1 point for Glidel. So you don't have a point yet. We have 3 times. If the 3 times we talk in Tagalog, yeah, we're gonna be buying them.
She will buy
Yeah.
an ice cream.
Yeah.
Ice cream.
Here in
Here in Power Plant Rock.
like ice cream in a cone.
So we're now going to Lacoste. We will just check something there. So this speaking in English is only just here inside Power Plant Mall. So when we go out already, we can already talk in Tagalog. Because we really want to speak in Tagalog, especially her and her. We are laughing most of the time. But most of the people here is actually speaking in English as we are hearing them.
What is
So,
the proper pronunciation? Final PM.
I don't know. What's
I think
that? Is that Fino or Fino?
Pino.
Idol has 2 points already. It means she only have one more life. And then she's gonna buy us some ice cream.
Ice cream. I want ice cream. Chocolate flavor.
And she wants to go home already so that she can talk in Tagalog.
No, let's continue.
Because we're just going to walk to go home actually. We don't need to ride anything. Just walking.
So
Look at
nice.
this.
It's so good.
It's so nice here actually.
This smell.
Yes, the smell is nice and also there's a lot of luxurious brands here.
And luxurious.
Yes. So we already checked the price of 1 scoop of ice cream, which is 90 pesos. And
Yeah,
then
I think
yeah. So be careful, Glidel. Because only one more. So we think we're lost, but we already find our way to where we are going, which is the Lacoste. We go to Apple Store and where's that? Rimowa. We just checked some things there. And then now we're going to Lacoste to check something. I think it's this way.
yeah.
Yeah. I already know where are we. So this is the car a while ago. Glidel is not speaking too much because she only has one life left.
You need to speak. You need to be talkative.
So this is how it looks in this mall. are we going now?
Where?
No. So where are we going?
I need to sit somewhere. My feet. Ouch. My feet is so ouchy. So I need to sit somewhere
And there's a lot of restaurants here, as you can see. And there's the ice cream there. This is the price.
Oh. 100.
So the price there is 100 pesos.
I need to take the rest.
Lydia, can you open your hot stand?
The game ended already because because Lido speak in Tagalog. So she needs to buy us some ice cream.
Wala, hindi ako
Look at my nails.
Pero kumain ka sa condition. Nakapaglaro ka di ba? Oh,
So yeah, let's just go to Lawson. Maybe it's cheaper there.
Yeah, Lawson.
I think only 20 pesos.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I don't have cash. I say it to go.
Mahal lang ako, Mark, kung hindi ako nakauwi.
It's okay.
And then-
some...
Yes, maybe we go to the garden or something.
Dito ako kain ice cream.
Yes. Ay, we're gonna go back here again. No. See, look, there's a birthday.
Doon tayo mag-picture.
So we're already here outside the mall. Now they can speak in Tagalog, but me, I wanted to speak in English still since most of my viewers are actually from the United States. So I don't know if they are Filipinos that are living in the United States or just US citizens or Americans. So yeah, I need to speak in English so that they can understand my vlog. So we're already here in the elevator.
So tired.
We're tired, guys.
So sweaty because we just walked.
We need
So
to rest at
we're
least.
going to rest. Now we're going to Lawson so that Madam here can buy us some ice cream.
Yeah, because...
She's buying ice cream for us. We're here at Lawson already. Are you happy? Yes, that's the ice cream. Thank you. Good morning, guys. So we're here outside. Actually, yesterday we just watched some movies. If you are in the Philippines, you should watch My Zombie. It's really nice movie. So right now we're going to the exit of the condo because we're going to buy some eggs to cook for our breakfast. It's currently 7 a.m. here in the Philippines. So yeah, they're going to cook fried rice and egg. Mark. Our egg already. We buy 6 eggs for our breakfast today. Later, he's gonna cook salmon for our dinner. Yeah. She's He's cooking fried rice and he's gonna cook egg. I'm good. Enjoy. Are you enjoying it? How about you? Are you enjoying it?
Yes, enjoying watching.
That's the garlic and onion. Wait for the final result. May fried rice na niluto ni Madam. Chef Mark. He's cooking some eggs. They're already done.
Chanel on my face, got a block the hate, real low.
Right now, I'm just laying down and they are cooking
Samo.
salmon, and then she wants to eat the spaghetti that Chef Mark cooked yesterday.
Yeah, because it stays good.
That's the salmon he's making. So now he's going to make
White sauce.
for the salmon, and then Miss Madam will cook rice,
Yeah.
and she's eating spaghetti.
Again.
How are you feeling?
I'm full.
And after that, after we eat and all, we're going to vlog another one, which is makeup by Chef Mark. He's gonna do our makeup as well, both of me and Madam. This is the white sauce he's making. He's gonna make it with coconut coconut milk. Are you happy?
Yeah, of course.
Madam, are you happy? And also, he's gonna air fry some potatoes. Chef Mark is finished cooking. So, right now, this is how it looks. With air fried potatoes, salmon, and white sauce, which is the coconut milk. And we're going to eat some rice. So, yeah. Let's eat. So, right now, we're just watching.
After being retrenched sa putang kinakupos,
We're done eting our lunch. And later, we will have
relatable kasi.
some things to do. Just watch out for that in our channel.
Ang nanik,
Have you ever watched the movie As If It's True? What do you think about that? What do you think about that?
it's weird.
Yeah, I think it's weird. If you are from the Philippines, let me know what do you think about that movie. How about you, my friend? Hoy!
Ano pala kayo? Ayun. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung tanga sa kanila. Pero ayun. Ang sakit. Kasi nga, as if it's true. CR na ako.
For now, we're going to the event that is going on in our condo. So, we will see what is there in that event. So yeah, we're already going back to our unit. We already saw what is in there. They have dog stuffs. They have Korean foods. They have barbecues. They have shakes. They even have massages there. So yeah, that is until April 20th. April, right? It's April today. That's until April 28. So yeah, right now we're going back to our unit to shoot something, and then after that we're going out in Makati. Hi guys, so we're about to go somewhere. So he
Kita ba
did
ako?
my makeup and Glidel's makeup.
Ganda.
We're here in Poblacion, Makati, where there's a lot of restaurants and bar and all. Filling station is actually here. We're home already. We didn't took a video or any vlog out there since we walk from so far, and it's so hot in the Philippines. So yeah, do you want to see where we walk to? So here is our balcony, and that's where we go to, that tower. So it's really far, and we just walk. See, there's a ferry down there. So it's day 3 of them in here.
Hello guys.
Today is also the day they are going to go home. Later maybe. And then right now we're going to the garden. They are about to go home now.
Yeah, we're leaving.
Yeah, I just bought something for my snacks. So we're just going to book Grab. And then yeah, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe and yeah, comment in the comment section below. Suggestion, recommendation, and don't forget to like this video. That is all. Bye.